And now, your first alert weather.
Alrighty, taking a look at it from our Pocatello camera right now. Kind of cool. See some convective clouds coming over, so maybe a few showers. We did talk about a small chance kind of for the evening, and looks like we're about to see that or getting close to it in some places. Currently in Pocatello, it is 85 degrees, so it's certainly plenty warm to drive any kind of thunderstorm activity. Frankly, I love a good thunderstorm, as long as there's enough rain and not too much lightning, because this time of year you don't want only lightning. That causes other problems. But we got temperatures in the 70s and 80s right now. Mackay, one of the cooler spots at 69. Winds out of the southwest. It's a bit breezy this afternoon. 15 Soda Springs, 19 Pocatello, 17 Idaho Falls, Chalice at 24 right now. But here's the big thing, that rain. It's moving in starting tonight. It'll be getting cooler for a few days. Next weekend's looking great, but we've got a couple days that are going to be pretty wet between now and then. All right, so we've got a few showers moving up into Lemhi County right now, some moving into Teton County, Wyoming, kind of just moving through the Star Valley area. And then just south of Pocatello, not seeing a ton, but a little something here and there. A little more impressive just south of Twin Falls. I actually have a brother right there. I should text him. But a couple severe warning storms. Got one right over central Wyoming, one just outside of Salt Lake City, actually. So we'll kind of see on that. But either way, we are looking at storms moving through tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see some. Tuesday in particular is looking like our wettest day. That is, there's one day to remember the rain jacket, it's going to be Tuesday. You're going to want it probably the most. But even Wednesday will still have enough energy and some leftover instability. Wednesday's kind of looking impressive with maybe a leftover shower on Thursday. It drops down considerably by Thursday. I don't think we'll see a whole lot then, or Friday. And Saturday, that 10%, that might even be optimistic. In general, by the weekend, things clear out. But at least for the first few days, Monday, especially Tuesday and Wednesday, it is going to be a little more unsettled. So, like I said, this is good, though. We're expecting anywhere, and this is through Thursday afternoon, anywhere between about 1/3 to 1/2 inch, with a few isolated places seeing more. That's great. We want to get a good fall soaking, and so we need a couple rounds of this. But hey, you got to start with one. So this is what we're looking at as far as rain totals, which is welcome. A little less welcome for some of us. I mean, we're used to it. The wind, it is going to be kind of breezy. Excuse me. Especially on Tuesday, and then it does back off a little bit as we go into the rest of the week. All right, let's talk about our forecast. So tonight, temperatures will be in the 40s and 70s for the highs tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a little cooler than today. 72 High Island Park, 76 for St. Anthony, Jackson at 74. And looking at Jackson's forecast, again, generally through Wednesday, maybe a few leftovers Thursday, Friday, but the weekend is looking nicer and temperatures get close to 70. We'll be in the 70s tomorrow for the Central Mountains, at least for those valley locations. Salmon, certainly like the rest of us, wettest on Tuesday. And then they too, maybe a leftover shower Thursday, Friday, but it does start to look better for that weekend. All right, Snake River Plain, we've got upper 70s tomorrow, might nudge 80, just depends on how long those showers hold off. But I think we have a good enough chance we'll kind of avoid 80. 60s, low 60s Tuesday, Wednesday, so getting kind of cool. And then, like I said, it does recover nicely. Mid 70s Saturday, Sunday, low 70s for Idaho Falls. Next weekend looks pretty nice.
All right, thanks, Chris. And